I'm going to cut to the headlines as always before I get to a lot more in detail. Fresh gunfire and blasts rock Uri as Pakistan resumes heavy artillery fire along the line of control. Even as I speak, tensions prevail along the line of control. High stakes security meet at Prime Minister Modi's residence. In fact, Prime Minister has been meeting with the chiefs of Army, Navy and Air Force, briefing the Prime Minister on the evolving threat. India clearly at this point looking to strategize and come to a firm decision on how to tackle this once and for all. Turkey-made Songar drones used by Pakistan in its cross-border offensive. India calls out Ankara's indirect hand in it, suggesting Turkey is showing friendship with Pakistan, also aiding them with ammunition is a big signal. Debris of Pakistani drones recovered. Indian air defense system have shot them down mid-air, and images of debris that have surfaced. In fact, for the last 2 days, these are the findings that confirm that India has managed to thwart every threat, and our air defense system working fantastically well, ensuring that these drones are down to the ground. Pakistan Defence Minister Khwaja Asif has dropped the mask, says war with India is the only option that is now left. This is the man who barely has artillery enough to sustain a war with India for 4 days, but yet on international media platforms he says no other option but to enter war with India. "28 airports across India to now remain shut until May 15th. Aviation lockdown extended as security concerns now mounting across the country. There's been strict vigil. Now Home Ministry triggers civil defense protocol. The Home Ministry asks all states to invoke emergency powers and prepare for any kind of eventuality. Remember, across border areas in India now you have armed forces that will be deployed to ensure strong protection. Of course, apart from the BSF, there's another additional layer of the army forces that now will be deployed along border areas. And across the states, the Home Ministry now asks for civil defense protocols to be practiced. A biggest disappointer surely for cricket fans, but nothing really surpasses or prioritizes national security at this point. IPL 2025 has been put on pause. BCCI suspends the tournament for a week in solidarity with national security efforts that's underway. Breaking, we are going to the breaking.